You found this video because you're looking for the best CRM. Well, guess what? This is the top 5 best CRM software that you're going to find anywhere. I have spent countless hours and a countless amount of money to actually find these. Now, there are over 60 different CRM software, and I've compiled the top 5 that's going to be the best bang for your buck. If you're looking for your reaching out for your phone calls, by emails, and for live chat, and you're trying to get all of this organized, then you have found the right place. Now, the CRM keeps all of these interactions and organized, and this list is going to be the best ones from 1 to 5 of what's actually going to give you what you're looking for. Now, I'm looking for different things such as how for my small businesses and for my large projects as well, that's going to make this much easier. So all of this is about communication channels and actually pipelining them in to actually help me close the sale. And I have done all of this and found those right here today. And with that being said, let's go ahead and jump in to the number 1. Now, number 1 for me is Zendesk. Why it's number 1 is because it's ideal for small businesses that actually provide a high level of customer support. So, and this product here is best here to date with the service. It also gives me the ability to collaborate with collaboration tools to keep remote and my on-site workers on the same page. So my guys that are remote and the ones that are on-site, they're working together regardless of where they are. Now, one thing that I found that it was very difficult for me is that the interface was too big and too hard to navigate, really, and my guys found so as well. But my sales strategies worked best when everyone was on the same page, and Zendesk Sell actually got that across. So the customer experience strategy really extends beyond the sales team. Then this is it for you. Now, it's used across sales, reused in marketing and support teams. It actually centralized the data from multiple customer touchpoints to actually avoid my duplication of my efforts and kept me from being embarrassed from the miscommunications. Now, the entry-level plan was really great, and because for that small business and my solo entrepreneurs, my friends use this as well, and they agreed with me. Now, it included core features like a customizable sales pipeline. It gave me basic reports and a team document repository. Being the admin, you can actually assign individual team members to pipeline deals that notified the other employees outside of the sales team of any changes or action items, so that kept it well. Now, the upper level plan actually brought even more with upgraded document storage spaces, sales forecasting, and advanced call analytics. It gave bulk emailing and unlimited templates to actually help me generate effective marketing emails, and role-based permissions gave me and, well, my other admin granular control over who actually accessed that data within Zendesk as well. So they put it as number 1. Now for number 2, Pipedrive. Now Pipedrive kept my busy sales professionals really on track with a very quick look pipeline information as well. So it allowed them to actually see this very fast. It's set up really just in just a few moments. There was no technical skill that I needed. One of the things that I didn't like though was the team management and the goal setting tools were only available with the upper tier plan, so I did have to upgrade for that. Now, Pipedrive did have a very unique visual sale pipeline that really made it apart from the other platforms. Now, you do get a complete overview of each of the deal exact stage, and you can actually use the drag and drop interface that allowed me to really easily perform my really critical task, like adding my contacts and actually moving deals between the stages. Now, Pipedrive even collected my leads from my chat box and web interactions, and it gave them directly to the pipeline where they won't be overlooked, so people were actually able to find those. The pipelines were customizable, and the fields actually let me tap into existing workflow systems and even create new ones as well. Now, it allowed me to actually use the built-in automation feature to set activity notifications, and the full-featured mobile app allowed me to stay on top of my task no matter where I was going. If I was in the car, if I was at the airport, it actually allowed me to do that. Now, every feature works in tandem with the visual pipeline, and that kept, well, the customer front and center. Now, this was all the way to deal completion and even further. Pipedrive was very easy for me to use, but when I did run into a problem, it was very easy to contact support because they were 24/7 by chat and email, and earning its spot at number 2. Freshworks landed at number 3 because it offered AI features for businesses that allowed me to conduct dynamic lead scoring, and that actually informed me which of my prospects were really most likely to buy. It was also very excellent communication tools, really helped me to get all of my work done in a timely manner, and it really stood out from the rest of them in this manner. But one thing, the pricing plan had the user limits, so when I was trying to do this, it complicated my budgeting and my scalability, so I was not able to get where I wanted to be with Freshworks, and that's why it put at number 3 the most. But all in all, it was fantastic. It is a standout solution for your sales professional as well. And it allowed me to receive a lot of calls that actually needed the CRM software for me to capture the data and that those calls actually generated. Now, you can easily tie existing phone numbers to Freshworks and buy a new local number or toll-free number from 90 different countries in one click. And one thing too that was really cool is because the mobile and vanity phone numbers were also available for me to buy as well. Now, Freshworks supported my sale calls and all other customer touch points with a very awesome, comprehensible feature set that included deal and account management. It also included list segmentation, it synced my emails, and my website visitor activity tracking as well. Now, the AI toy, Freddy AI, rounded out the package with the predictive contact scoring, so that really made it really cool as well. It had deal insights and smart chat box, so the plans are available at several different price points, including sales only and marketing only tiers, so you only pay for the features you need. But that was one thing that made it complicated, was going back and forth. Maybe I need this, maybe I don't, so I kept my budgeting kind of not too organized for me. Hubspot. Now, Hubspot, number 4, the free plan was a perfect choice for some of my teams that are really new to the CRM. But I really wanted a sample of a variety of sales marketing service tools, so that was a really good choice just to choose from the free plan. Now, HubSpot's resource library offered me a very big list of free templates and business tools. One minus on this was that the service plan above basic tier was very expensive for my small business work. So I found out that my businesses really didn't do too good with this as far as the budgeting goes. Now, they have really awesome popular reports though that included like my deal forecast, my sales funnel metrics, sales activity insights on my team productivity, individual sales agents performance, and HubSpot also generated my reports on chat and email conversations. So this put it all in the team inbox to actually provide data to those. That way we were getting really good response times, and how long it took to resolve a message, it gave me that as well, and how well the messages were distributed along my other team members. Now, HubSpot paid solution actually added a custom report builder so you can access the exact metrics that I needed. So the custom filters actually really put perfect tune on report results even further for me to actually detail the insights on everything from the website traffic to individual deals as well. All right, the last one, but definitely not the least, Salesforce. Coming in at 5, Salesforce offered me one of the most comprehensive features of any CRM on the market though. But the system became more complex and harder to use with each service plan that I upgraded. But all in all, it is the best choice for heavily regulated businesses with high specific needs or limitations. So it was very hard for me to put it in the spot. But most people know this name. A lot of my guys know this as well. And that's for a good reason though, because it is perfect for small businesses that actually want to grow with the scale that scales with them, right? So this is actually scaled with me, it scaled my team all together. Now, as the business is growing, and it still is, I was able to upgrade the plan for month functionality, included like my automatic lead scoring, collaborative forecasting for cross-team strategizing. It gave me tools to create product catalogs, quotes, contracts, sales orders. It was very easy for me to accommodate my expanding customer base too as well, which was really great. Now my small teams, solo business owners as well, were very valuable to the account, and the lead management tools that track the deals from the lead to completion as well, and the built-in small integration with Gmail and Outlook was really great too, and you can find that on the free plan. Now this is everything that I found from these top 5. Took me countless hours, but I hope you guys enjoyed as well. Don't forget to jump into the description below. Try them out right now. Click on the links, try your free trials, try them out and let me know how you think.